we have introduced communicative course in English for all faculty students. From this year, we have introduced 1 week online student development program purely on literature. Actually, aim of this program is to inculcate the aptitude and attitude of literature in the students community, specialized for the optional English and the main English. But as we know all, literature speaks the language of heart and how it mirrors every shade of mind through different kinds of genres or different genres of literature. Students must learn how to read prose, poetry, drama, and fiction in its original form. Therefore, we designed this online student development program for all students. On the very first day, I would like to share with you the schedule of the program in brief. On the very first day, means on today, Professor Hamid Khan sir, A.G. Khan sir will deliver his inaugural address for all students. On the 7th January, Dr. Mustazid Khan sir will speak on reading drama. On 8th January, Dr. Ajay Deshmukh sir will talk on reading novel. On the 9th January, Professor Dr. Hamid Khan sir will deliver his lecture on reading poetry. On 11th January, Professor Dr. Aparajita will talk on feminism, understanding the paradigm shift. And on 12th January, Professor Geeta Medwa will share her thoughts on reading literature. She will try to touch all genres of literature that would be the valedictory day or the last day of this student development program. Friends, once again, I welcome you all in this virtual dais of online 7 days student development program. And I welcome Professor Dr. A.J. Khan sir for today's inaugural speech. Now, I request our principal madam to give her introductory remarks and best wishes for this STP. Please, madam.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are
Ah,
audible, ma'am.
ah.
You can proceed.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Principal Dr. Vasudha Purohit, welcome. Today's chief guest, Honorable Resource Person, eminent scholar, Dr. A.G. Khan Sir, teacher fraternity of the college, and all participant students in this online student development program on behalf of Marathwada Legal and General Education Societies, Dr. Sau Indirabai Bhaskarrao Pathak Mahila Kala Mahavidyalaya Aurangabad. At the very outset, I must appreciate the Department of English of our college and especially head of the department, Dr. Mahananda Dalvi, for organizing such a wonderful program which will help in life skill development of the students as well. An introduction to literature. It is the central theme of this program. The main purpose of this program, I think, is to understand the importance of literature where life is reflected. We can say that literature helps us to understand people, society, events, culture, and on the top of it, a human being. We need literature in order to connect with humanity. It opens up a world of inspiration, creativity, and also it develops skills which are essential for today's global environment. Reading the literature gives us happiness and eternal peace. It is seen that everything that happens within a society can be written and learned from a piece of literature, whether it be a poetry or prose. Literature is like a mirror which showcase the society. It provides insight, knowledge of wisdom and emotion. Life is manifested in the form of literature. It not only reconstruct and reinforce our lives, but literature also inculcate the norms and values we live by. So, for you as students, it is very important to read good literature. It helps you as it amplifies your creativity. You can discover your role model. Literature helps you to be empathetic. It also helps to find yourself. It will learn how to approach new challenges of life. Also, you will learn how to focus superior, and it gives you inner peace, which is, I think, most important thing in the life. So we have seen that literature plays such a crucial role, and this lecture series will be beneficial for each and every student to broaden his vision towards life. And in the last, I again congratulate the Department of English, and I giving best wishes to them for this wonderful students development program. And now I must take leave. We all are eager to listen to Dr. A.G. Khan sir. So thank you. Thank you. Over to you, Dr. Dalvi madam. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Dalvi madam.
Yes.
You may